Copywriting basics. 5 things every beginner should know about copywriting. Welcome to the channel. My name is MK Akan, and this channel is all about copywriting, email copywriting, and how to make money with your copywriting skill. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe so that you can get more videos about copywriting. So let's get back to the video. Copywriting basics. If you want to master copywriting, there are a number of things you must know. These things are basic but very important, and these things will help build your foundation so that you can become a good and better copywriter. I'm going to show you 5 of them, but there are so many of them, and you can get more resources and trainings if you follow the link or go to the link in my description to get different copywriting resources. So let's start with the very first one. Number 1, the very first thing you need to understand or need to know about copywriting is this. You have to understand human psychology and also understand the concept of human desires. The whole idea about selling is understanding people. You are selling to people, so you need to understand people. You have to understand human desires. Every man walking on the earth, every person has a desire, and human beings act in a different way or act in a certain way than animals or different from animals. Human beings are emotional. Human beings are scared of loss, so they're risk averse. We love to do and get things easy. These are different nature, different unique things about human beings. If you want to master copywriting, study human nature, understand the concept of human desires, right? Very important. The next thing that you need to understand is this. For you to be able to sell anything, you need to connect human desires to products and services. The truth is, people don't really just want to buy a product and service. There's usually something they want to get before they buy a product. If somebody wants to be beautiful, that is a human desire. Then you can connect products that can make the person beautiful. So that could be beauty products, that could be surgery, that could be anything else. So first of all, understand that people have desires, then also understand that for you to make a sale, you need to connect their desires to products and services. Right? If you understand these copywriting basics, you'll be able to sell anything. All you need to do is to find and understand the human desire, and then you look for products and services that can help the person achieve that desire. Let's go to number 3. Your offer is more important than your copy. This is also a very important copywriting basics. Your offer, it talks about everything the target audience will get. The product itself, how they're going to get it, the price, how they're going to make payments, the guarantees, the bonuses. This is your offer. This is more important than the copy, the words you're going to use to sell. That is why copywriters usually work on their offer first before writing the copy. All right? Most beginners don't understand this and miss this. They go and work and toil on writing the copy without working on the offer first. So the lesson is very simple here. Work on your offer first before writing your copy. If you do this, you're going to get a lot of sales. Let's go to number 4. Conduct copywriting research before writing anything. Now, since you're going to be selling to humans, and since people are not just buying things, they are buying things that can give them a result, it is important that you understand who you are selling to, understand what they want, understand what they like. The only way you can know this is by conducting copywriting research. Research can be as simple as talking to your target audience, asking them questions about what they want, asking them questions about how the product they want can solve their problem. This is very important. Do not write your copy, do not write your email, do not write any sales page if you have not conducted copywriting research. There are many kinds of research that you're going to make when you're conducting copywriting research. All right, and I have different resources on the channel and product for that. So make sure you go to the link in the description, sign up to get my email so you can get access to more resources. But copywriting research is important. Do not write until you understand who you're selling to and what they want. And that is only done by copywriting research. Now let's go to the very last one, and also very important. Your target audience determines everything else. The target audience is important. The most important person in the equation of selling is your target audience. In fact, there are 3 main things. You have your target audience, you have your offer, and you have your copy. The most important things are arranged in that order. The target audience first, your offer next, and your copy. The truth is this: your target audience determines what your offer is and determines what your copy will be. Okay? I usually say this: the job of your copy is to present the best offer to the right target audience. All right? That is exactly what your copy is all about. So that means you need to spend time to understand who your target audience is. And the truth is, many times one product or one service might have different target audience. So you can determine the best target audience for what you're selling. All right? This also goes back to the idea of knowing your audience and conducting research. Then all of this will help you understand that you have to make sure you sell what your target audience wants to buy. If you conduct the research, if you know your target audience properly, you will know exactly what they want to buy, and you'll be able to give it to them. These are just 5 copywriting basics. There are so many other important things. I've shared lots of videos on this channel, so make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you go to my description and download my copywriting course where you can learn more about copywriting. All right? Don't forget, I have lots of goodies for you right in the description. So go click that link, sign up, and then give me a like, give me a subscription. Lastly, before we go, I want to tell me in the comment which of these 5 copywriting basics was the most profound to you. Which one do you like the most? Which one did you learn before now? And which one have you really learned right now? Let me know in the comments which one is profound, which one do you like the most, and which one do you know already. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.